గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ స్టూడెంట్స్. ఈరోజు ఫైనల్ ఇయర్లో ఉన్నటువంటి 5th పేపర్ రింగ్స్ థియరీ అండ్ ఇంటెగ్రల్ క్యాల్కులస్లో యూనిట్ 1 చాప్టర్ పేరు వచ్చేసి రింగ్స్, ఇంటెగ్రల్ డొమైన్స్ అండ్ ఫీల్డ్స్. ఇందులో ముందుగా మనం రింగ్ డెఫినేషన్ నేర్చుకుందాము. లెట్ క్యాపిటల్ ఆర్ బి ఏ నాన్ ఎంప్టీ సెట్ అండ్ ప్లస్ కమా డాట్ ఆర్ టూ బైనరీ ఆపరేషన్స్ ఇన్ ఆర్. R comma plus comma dot is said to be a ring if it satisfies 3 points. So first one is R comma plus is a commutative group. Second point, R comma dot is a semi group, and third point is distributive laws holds in R. So let us see once again. Let capital R be a non-empty set and plus comma dot are two binary operations in R. R comma plus comma dot is said to be a ring if it satisfies 3 points. First one is R comma plus is a commutative group, R comma dot is a semi group, and distributive laws holds in R. Let us discuss these 3 points briefly. So as we know that commutative group is satisfies 5 laws. So first one is closure law. So let us discuss these definitions in the points wise, rules wise. So first rule is closure law. As we know that closure law is for a comma b belongs to R, a plus b belongs to R. Second rule is associative law. Associative law means for a comma b comma c belongs to R, that implies a plus b plus c is equal to a plus b plus c. Rule number 3, identity law. Identity law means for a belongs to R, there exists 0 belongs to R such that a plus 0 is equal to 0 plus a is equal to a for all a belongs to R. Here 0 is called the identity element in R. Rule number 4, inverse law. For a belongs to R, there exists minus a belongs to capital R such that a plus minus a is equal to minus a plus a is equal to 0 for all a belongs to R. Here minus a is called the additive inverse of a. Rule number 5, commutative law. Commutative law means for a comma b belongs to R implies a plus b is equal to b plus a. With these 5 laws, we can say that R comma plus C is a commutative group. Let us see the definition of a semi group. So for this R6, we can say that it is an R6. So R6 with respect to the closure law. So for a comma b belongs to R, a dot b belongs to R. And associative law with respect to multiplication is given by rule number 7. That is for a comma b comma c belongs to R, a dot b dot c is equal to a dot b dot c. Next we will see the distributive laws, that is rule number 8, left distributive law, and is defined as a dot b plus c is equal to a dot b plus a dot c. Here the distribution is going on with respect to the left hand side, so that we will call as left distributive law. And rule number 9, it is right distributive law and is defined as a plus b dot c is equal to a dot c plus b dot c. Here the distribution is going on with respect to the right hand, so it is called as right distributive law. So with these 4 rules, we can say that a non-empty set with the two binary operations, it is called as ring. So ring definition means a non-empty set with the two binary operations plus comma dot is said to be a ring if it satisfies 3 laws. So first one is R comma plus is a commutative group, and second one is R comma dot is a semi group, and third one is distributive laws holds in R. So with these definitions, we can see the number of theorems. So let us see the another very important definition regarding the 5 marks, Boolean ring. The definition of a Boolean ring: in a ring R, if a square is equal to a for all a belongs to R, then R is called a Boolean ring. So Boolean ring means for every element A belongs to R, A square is equal to A, then R is called a Boolean ring. So in this Boolean ring, we will see the very very important theorem. That is, if R is a Boolean ring, then first point, A plus A is equal to 0 for all A belongs to R. Second point, A plus B is equal to 0, A is equal to B. And third point, R is commutative under multiplication. This third point can be written as every Boolean ring is abelian. Once again we will see the theorem. If R is a Boolean ring, then first point is A plus A is equal to 0 for all A belongs to R. Second point is A plus B is equal to 0, A is equal to B. And third point is R is commutative under multiplication, ORR. This third point can be written as every Boolean ring is abelian. So in the theorem itself, R is a Boolean ring. So for the proof, let us take R is a Boolean ring. By the definition, we will have A square is equal to A for all A belongs to R. So R is a Boolean ring implies we know that for every element A square is equal to A. So we write that one. So R is a Boolean ring implies A square is equal to A for all A belongs to R. Let us see the proof of first point. A plus A is equal to 0 implies A belongs to R. So for this, let take A belongs to R. So by closure law, A plus A is also belongs to R. So since A plus A belongs to R, by the definition of Boolean ring, we will get that A plus A whole square is equal to A plus A. So expand the left hand side. A plus A whole square means A plus A into A plus A. So RHS side we will get A plus A. Now by the distributive laws, you expand that left hand side. A into A plus A plus A into A plus A is equal to A plus A. Bracket means multiplication. So multiply with that A into A will gives A square, and A into A will gives A square, plus A into A will gives A square, plus A into A will gives A square. On the right hand side, A plus A plus 0. We are adding 0 element so that A plus 0 is equal to A only. So A square in the Boolean ring, A square is equal to A. So we will get A square is equal to 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 A. So but by that we will get the equation A plus A plus A plus A is equal to A plus 0. By the left cancellation law, we can cancel the elements of A on left hand side, so that we will remain with the A plus A is equal to 0. Therefore A plus A is equal to 0 for all A belongs to R. So first point is A plus A is equal to 0 for all A belongs to R. Second point, if A plus B is equal to 0, A is equal to B. We have to consider A plus B is equal to 0, and we will show that A is equal to B. So for that, let A comma B belongs to R and A plus B is equal to 0. Consider A plus B is equal to 0. But by the point 1, we are getting that A plus A is equal to 0. So substitute A plus A instead of 0. So A plus B is equal to A plus A. By the left cancellation law, we can cancel A values on both sides, so that we are remaining with B is equal to A. So therefore A plus B is equal to 0 implies A is equal to B. In the Boolean ring, whenever if A plus B is equal to 0, we are getting that A is equal to B. With this, second point is also completed. Let us see the third point. Every Boolean ring is abelian. So for that, we have to show that abelian means commutative law is satisfied in the ring. What is the commutative law? A dot B is equal to B dot A for all A comma B belongs to R. So for that, to show that A dot B is equal to B dot A, let us take two elements A comma B in capital R. So let A comma B belongs to R. By closure law, we are getting that A plus B belongs to R. So A plus B belongs to R and R is a Boolean ring. We will get that A plus B whole square is equal to A plus B. So you expand on left hand side, a plus b whole square means a plus b into a plus b. So write a plus b into a plus b is equal to a plus b. And we will apply the distribute laws on left hand side, so that a into a plus b plus b into a plus b is equal to a plus b. So bracket means multiplication. So a into a plus a dot b plus b into a plus b dot b is equal to a plus b. A into a implies a square a dot b plus b dot a plus b into b implies b square is equal to a plus b. So since R is a Boolean ring, we will get that a square is equal to a. So a plus a dot b plus b dot a plus b is equal to a plus b. So that implies you bring that b to together to a side. So we will get that a plus b plus a dot b plus b dot a is equal to a plus b plus 0. By adding 0, we will nothing will happens to a plus b. So we are adding 0 to this right hand side. So you can, by left cancellation law, you cancel that values a plus b on both sides. You will remain with a dot b plus b dot a is equal to 0. So a dot b is equal to b dot a. By second point, we have that a plus b is equal to 0, a is equal to b. So with that property, a plus b, a dot b plus b dot a is equal to 0 implies a dot b is equal to b dot a. So in a ring, we are getting that a dot b is equal to b dot a for all a comma b belongs to R. That implies commutative law is satisfied here. So that we are getting that R is abelian group. So R is abelian group. So in a Boolean ring, we have that R is abelian group.